How to withdraw money on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money on your Revolut account. So to do that, first of all, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the transfer tab, which is in the bottom side of your screen. After that, tap on the new option, which is in the top right corner. Now once you've done that, in order to withdraw money to your bank account, simply tap on the first option, which is bank recipient, and then where it says account details, simply enter your own bank account details, such as the country of recipient's bank, currency, IBAN, first and middle names, last name, and your email address. Now once you've entered all of your own details, tap on the option add recipient. Now once you have been added as a recipient on your own Revolut account, simply tap on it and then simply enter the amount you'd like to withdraw to your bank account. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully withdrawn money from your Revolut account to your bank account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.